Hello everyone, welcome to Web of Power Vlogs. Please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
So hello everyone, welcome to Web of Power Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox the Hersheys cookie and cream chocolate bar. So in the photo you can see a white cream candy with a chocolate cookie bites. In the photo you can see on the upper of the pack. So green dot is given. It's a vegetarian product. So this packaging looks very attractive because dual colors on the chocolate bar packet you can see over here. On the back side all the nutritional information is given. Net weight 38 grams you can see, and at the side of the chocolate bar you can see over here they have written Hersheys cookie and cream, 25% more cookies. So I have bought it for 62 rupees a single unit. Here it's written country of origin Malaysia. So they have also written keep away from the direct sunlight temperature because it should not melt. You have to keep below 22 degrees Celsius. So now let's unbox it. Let's check what's inside. So again you can see over here double packaging is given inside. So let's open it. Yes, so again they have given the name of the company Hersheys on top of the chocolate bar. Back side you can see the cookies. So basically I have eaten this before, so the texture of the chocolate bar is crunchy because of the cookies inside the chocolate bar. So that's all. Thank you everyone. Let me know in the comment box how was the video. Till then, thank you. We'll meet in the next upcoming video of Web of Power Vlogs. Till then, thank you.